Follow these healthy guidelines to update your eating style and improve your nutrition profile. Cut down on saturated and trans fats by choosing non-tropical vegetable oils like monosaturated and polyunsaturated oils. Buy lower sodium versions. If you can't find lower sodium or no salt added, rinse the contents in a colander underwater to wash away some of the salt. Choose canned fruits packed in juice rather than syrup. Use non-stick cooking spray instead of greasing bakeware with butter or shortening, and use it in skillets instead of butter for cooking. Make your own salad dressings by mixing healthier kitchen oils, such as olive oil, with vinegar and herbs. The general rule for a homemade dressing is 1/3 acid, vinegar or citrus juice, to 2/3 cup of oil. Look for whole grains and lower sodium when you buy things like bread, pasta, crackers, and snacks. Choose poultry and fish and limit red meat. Always look for leaner pieces and trim away skin and visible fat before cooking. Finally, here are a few examples of some simple swaps that you can try. Whole wheat flour for white flour. For every cup of white flour your recipe calls for, substitute 7/8 cup of whole wheat. Unsweetened applesauce for oil or butter. If your recipe calls for 1 cup of oil, substitute a half cup of unsweetened applesauce and a half cup of oil. Vanilla for sugar. Cutting sugar in half and adding a teaspoon of vanilla adds a lot of flavor with significantly fewer calories. Mashed bananas for butter or oil. 1 cup of mashed bananas in place of 1 cup of butter or oil.